What's up, viewers and subscribers? Hope all is well. Welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Today we have a 7-bedroom, 5-bathroom house for sale in Oakwood Drive, Mandeville, Manchester. Oakwood Drive is in the cool hills of Manchester, and this is the perfect opportunity to own an investment income home. This home is priced at Jamaican 31.5 million or US 203,000. This is a split level house and 11,272 square feet of land with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms on the main level upstairs. Downstairs has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and is currently tenanted. Home also has a large underground water tank, automatic double car garage and jacuzzi. Now let's take a look at the house. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also, for more details on the property, please visit the description area below. Until next time, this is your boy Nick. One love.